Let's expand photos beyond their borders with AI. Log in to lightxeditor.com. Go to the AI editor and click on AI Expand. Upload your photo from your device, then simply stretch the edges from anywhere and hit Generate. You can also enter a prompt to specify what needs to be generated for a more customized result. Plus, you can instantly resize your photo for different social media platforms like Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Twitch, and more. Without stretching or distorting the image, resize and enhance your pictures effortlessly with AI.